Okay, now we're going to look at plotting points using polar coordinates. So this comes from the textbook Pre-Calculus through OpenStax. When we think about plotting points on the plane, we usually think of rectangular coordinates x, y. In the coordinate plane, and the Cartesian plane, excuse me. I can read. Okay. However, there are other ways of writing a coordinate pair and other types of grid systems. In this section, we introduce the polar coordinates, which are points labeled r theta, so on the polar grid. So r is the radius, how far you are from the center, and then theta is the angle you're going to be at. So polar grids represent a series of concentric circles as seen here, radiating out from the pole or the center, that point there in the middle. And the polar grid is scaled as the unit circle with positive x-axis now viewed as the polar axis. So this is the polar axis here, and the origin as the pole. And this would be the positive direction is counterclockwise, and the negative direction is clockwise. So plot the point 3, pi over 2 on the polar grid. So I first look at the angle. So it's going to be pi over 2, and that's obviously here. And then it's going to be 3 up. 1, 2, 3. And that's it. And plot the point -2, pi over 3 in the polar grid. So I go to pi over 3, which is here. So positive 2 would be this direction. -2 is the other direction, so down here. That's it. Okay.